Welcome, Raleigh-Durham, North Carolina, to Buffalo, New York. Welcome to Manna at Northland. We are here to serve you on today. We're glad to have you here. We hope that you had a safe travel thus far and enjoying yourself. A little bit about Manna. Manna came to life 5 years ago, coming this November. We had a chance. There was a restaurant here just before us that didn't make it, and God opened the doors for us to come, and we sat around the table, my dinner table, talking about names of a restaurant. We had a chance to beat out 50 restaurants. So we were blessed to come up with the word manna. Manna is food from heaven. This area was desolated. It had nothing going on in this building for over 20 years. And then the city came in and developed some schools and training for the community, and we were able to get this site to open up as Manna at Northland. And our goal is to continue growing, calling ourselves Manna at wherever we go. Right now, we have local black artists on the walls, different paintings from different local black artists. Yes, you can purchase paintings off the wall. This one right here is done by one of my close friends of Nina Simone and James Baldwin. And it's an art that catches your attention as soon as you look at it. The colors are vibrant, just black and white, just make you feel like you are a part of that era. Different pictures on the wall with color purple. My little sister painted that one. I call her my little sister. She's my backbone to artwork. She's the one that I caught doing the art called Angel Lee. She's one of my friends for over 30 years. And when I had the opportunity to put artwork on the wall, I thought of her. And she came, she runs the wall. The paintings are available for sale. They have the names and local artists' names on there. And the one she's looking at now, the Michael Jackson, that's one of my chefs that painted that one that's working here at Manna with me on today.
What the Lord got for you is for you. They were here for 10 days. This is a $3.5 million restaurant. Here for 10 days. There's amateurs and there's pros. So we've been very blessed to have been in this desolate land. When we talk about how we come up with the name Manna, this was a desolate land. This was a racing track. Nothing was here. And here now, it came from heaven. That's where that name came to us as a team. We've been here going on 5 years now. There's 2 colleges in this building, and there's 4 factories. So lunchtime, you can't get in here. But we've been so encouraged of the young people that we hire, of the community, of the general of Western New York. We're the #1 black restaurant in Western New York.
If you're ever in Buffalo area, feel free to come by Manna at Northland and have a meal with us. Bless, be peace.
Had a delicious meal at the Manna restaurant. Had a chance to meet the owner, I think also one of the co-owners, and then had a chance to taste some of the local mint tea.